How to turn off Bing Safe Search. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off Bing Safe Search. To do so, first of all, open any web browser on your device and in the search bar here type in bing.com. Now search for it. Within a while, you'll be taken to the official website of Bing. Here at the top right, you'll be able to locate three horizontal bars. Tap on those three horizontal bars. And from this drop down, here select Safe Search option. Once you click on it, you will be taken to the settings page. Here you'll be able to locate the Safe Search option. Under it, there are three options: strict, moderate and off. You will need to click on this off option in order to turn off the Bing Safe Search. Once you click on it, now click on the Save button at the bottom to save the changes. A pop-up will appear on your screen. Click on this agree button and soon after doing that you have successfully turned off Bing Safe Search. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.